When visiting a USC Roski Eye Institute clinic, a mask, like the one pictured here, will be made available to you. Before putting on the mask, be sure to wash or disinfect your hands. All masks have a color side and a white side, with the color side facing outward. The top contains a thin metal wire. To put on the mask, place the wire over the bridge of your nose. Then, pull back the straps and hoop them around your ears. Next, pull the mask down to cover your chin. Lastly, press down on the metal wire so that it fits nicely to your face. When done correctly, your mask should look as pictured. When you are finished using the mask, be sure to wash or disinfect your hands before removal. Grasp the straps on both sides and remove the mask without touching your face. Dispose of the mask in the nearest waste container. Thank you for visiting us at the USC Roski Eye Institute, and fight on.